In this video, I'll show you how to install valve index lenses. Here are the left and right lenses included in the box. You can tell them apart by the L and R marks on the lenses. These lenses snap on easily with strong magnetic attachment. First, we'll remove the face cushion. Next, slide the lens adapter directly into place. Repeat the same step for the left adapter. Then, take the lens and attach it. That's it, it's really simple, right? It only takes about 10 seconds. Put the face cushion back on. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions, feel free to email us at info@AnnkutVR.com.